In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bank account in Xero in a quick and simple way. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have the right level of access to make changes to the chart of accounts. Also, be certain that you actually want to remove this bank account. Once it's deleted, you won't be able to use it for future transactions, so it's a good idea to double check that it's no longer needed and that any important data has been reviewed or exported if necessary. From your Xero dashboard, start by looking at the main menu across the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where Xero groups together all of the tools related to your financial records, including your chart of accounts. Once the accounting menu is open, look for the option called Chart of Accounts and click on it. The chart of accounts is essentially the full list of all your accounts in Xero: income, expenditures, assets, liabilities, and of course your bank accounts. This is where we'll locate the specific bank account you want to delete. On the Chart of Accounts page, scroll through the list or use any available filters or search tools to find the bank account you're trying to remove. When you see it in the list, take a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the account name and code and making sure it's the bank account you no longer plan to use. When you're sure, select that account by clicking on it. After selecting the account, you'll see its details, including options to edit or manage it. Look for the option labeled Delete. Click on Delete to start the process of removing this bank account from your chart of accounts. Keep in mind that Xero may not allow you to delete an account if it's still in use in certain transactions or linked features, so it's always wise to ensure it's no longer active. Once you click Delete, a confirmation message or dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your choice. This is Xero's way of making sure you don't remove an account by accident. If you're completely sure you want to proceed, click on OK to confirm. After you click OK, Xero will delete the bank account from your chart of accounts, and it will no longer appear in your list of available accounts.